Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead. We've featured this company and this job just about a month ago, maybe even a little bit less on this channel, but they are hiring yet again. The links, if you are interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. But the Sitel group is hiring a seasonal chat customer service agent. So this is a chat, non-phone, and it says virtual any location within the United States. We are gearing up for tax time in the United States, and so Sitel group is hiring someone to assist with their tax software client and line of business as a chat agent. So this position is going to focus on driving customer interactions through inbound and outbound chat and email communication. So this is a seasonal temporary position, but you'll respond to the customer inquiries with a focus on providing a solution to their specific tax questions and issue. You'll help the customers understand the services offered and discover what features benefit their needs of the tax software. You'll troubleshoot any access to their online accounts, help them reset their passwords if they need that. You'll meet and exceed performance expectations and stay on track with the KPIs. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want someone who has the ability to use dual monitor PCs, so 2 monitors at a time. You will be multitasking. Someone who is comfortable supporting customers and interacting with people in a technology-driven environment. Someone who's the availability to work a full-time schedule. You need to be flexible because you may be needed morning, nights, weekends, and maybe holidays. If that sounds like something for you, though, they are paying $15 an hour. Of course, they provide 100% paid training, so you're not just thrown to the wolves, and they do provide some benefits as well. All right, in this new year, I am trying to do a little bit something different with the channel. I'm trying to bring you even more work from home job leads. If you have any constructive criticism and feedback, any suggestions on things that I could do different or things you would like to see, please leave them in the comments below. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.